over there, Mom. Put some more suds. You get suds on it, and then we blow the bubbles. Wow, good job. You okay?
Did you get a bubble in your eye? The sun's coming out. It's getting to be a nicer day.
Getting warm. Which in my bed, I haven't put on deodorant yet.
Some in my bathroom. I captured that moment if I haven't deleted it.
Deodorant realization?
Yeah, the toilet. Lots of soap going on. At least there was a shower, so you're fairly fresh.
Oh, that's a lot. Oh, that was a lot. Jump! Oh, good job. Here, come and get these. Jump for these ones. Get them. Get them. Get those ones. You sing the bubble song? Bubble, 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 bubbles in the yard. Bubble, 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 bubbles in the yard. Bubbles in the yard, yes sir. Bubbles in the yard, yes sir. Bubbles, 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 bubbles in the yard. Oh, you stomping them? You stomping those bubbles down? Oh, one of them got Grandma. Grandma was hit by the bubbles.
Help!
The bubbles are floating away. Get him, Paul. Jump. Jump for him. Jump for him. Good job. Good jumper.
More bubbles.
I got him. You got that one. Good.
The bubble chaser.
Oh, you're a professional bubble chaser.